Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. Today's video is going to be all about hamstring stretching, and I know a lot of you are tight in your hamstrings and you want to be more flexible for leg holds, devant, attitude devant, développé devant, grand battement, grand jetés, splits. This is going to help you with all of those things. So firstly, I'd very much recommend that you would do one of my warm-ups. So without further ado, let's get started. In terms of equipment, you will need one TheraBand and 2 yoga blocks. To begin, just to warm up the hamstrings, we're going to take the yoga blocks in front of us and put our feet flat on the yoga blocks. Laying down all the way on our back, let's do 10 glute bridges, and then we're going to hinge at our hips, lifting your knees up and down. This is just to strengthen and warm up the hamstring muscles before we stretch them. So we lift up for 10 and lower, 9, lower, 8, 7, and we do 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now staying up here, we're going to hinge at our right hip, bring our knee closer to our chest without dropping the hips, and then lower the foot. And let's do the same with the left. We lift up and lower. Let's do 5 more on each side. 5 and down, 5 and down. So we're also working at actively flexing the hip, and 4 and down, 3, but we're also strengthening that supporting leg and that hamstring. 3 and 2, 2, last 1, 1, and 1. Good, stay with me. Go ahead, lift your right knee, extend the leg, and give me 10 pulses just to stretch out the hamstring. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay with me. Flex the heel down and lift it up. And 4. And we do 3, 2, and 1. And same thing with the left. Make sure that when you lift that leg, you're really hinging at the hip, keeping your back nice and lengthened and hips up. Let's pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flex the heel down and up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Placing both feet down, lower down. Go ahead and take one of your yoga blocks underneath your seat, and the other TheraBand. The other yoga block's just going to go to the side, and the TheraBand's going to go on one foot. Option 1, if you're super tight in your hamstrings, just do this flat on the floor. Option 2, if you're working towards leg holds and over splits, use the block as a tool to elevate your hips a bit so you can really stretch out that bottom hip flexor. Now we're going to take the band on our right foot to begin, and we're going to do something called PNF stretching. So what I want you to do, keep that bottom leg nice and lengthened, hamstring moving towards the floor, straight knee. Doesn't matter if you flex or point the toe. We're going to point just the ankle in the right leg, slightly bend the knee if you have a lot of hyperextension like I do, and you're going to push the band down and away for 5, 4. You can do this with a partner too. You can push against their hands. 3, 2, 1, and then you're going to relax the back of the leg and pull the band closer for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time, pushing it down for 5, 4, 3, pointing the ankle, 2. That way we activate the hamstring more and relax the back of the leg for 10, 9, 8. Keep that left hamstring on the floor. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do the same thing with the left foot. Ready in 3, 2, right leg down, nice lengthened hip flexor, and 1, we push it down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pull it closer for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, nice square hips, 3, 2, 1, push it down again for 5, 4, really engage that hamstring, 3, 2, 1, last time, pull it close for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Relax. Take the block out from underneath you. Swing your legs around. Take your blocks underneath your hands. And let's start with our right foot forward in a low lunge. Tuck your back toes under. Think of lengthening the lower back by tucking your pelvis under, keeping your knee off the floor for now. Good. From here, take a step forward with your left leg a little bit. Go into a triangle, lengthen your spine. Walk your blocks as far forward as you can, keeping your belly button close to your front thigh. And let's take a step back again to a low lunge, keeping the knee off the floor. Good. Take a step forward in a low triangle, reaching your arms forward, lengthening the spine. I'd rather see you up here with a nice straight back and down here with a curved spine. Good. This time go all the way down. You can put your back knee down, keeping your shoulders stacked on top of your hips to stretch out your hip flexor. And then as we go back, keep your belly button close to your front thigh. Walk your arms forward in a full forward fold. And let's go forward again. Stack your shoulders on top of your hips. And then let's go back. Lengthen the back of the leg. Good. We'll switch sides. Take the left foot forward. Tuck the right toes back, lifting the knee. Trying to stack the hips, or stack the shoulders rather. And then take a step forward with your right foot. Try to keep your belly button close to your left thigh. Walk your blocks forward, lengthen the spine. And then take a step back again, low lunge, keeping the back knee off the floor, lowering the hips. And then go forward again to that triangle. Nice square hips. Good. This time when we go down, put your back knee down and try to stack your hips once again, or stack your shoulders. I keep saying hips. And then as you go back, keep your belly button close to your thigh as you walk your arms forward. Good. Again, shift your hips forward. And last time, let's go back. Beautiful. Take a step forward with both feet. Just taking a forward fold. Option 1, stay here using your blocks, getting your belly button closer to your thighs. You can either grab your ankles to get closer in a forward fold, or you can use the blocks to keep your back nice and lengthened. Or if you're super flat in a forward fold, keep your feet closer together. Take your hands on the floor, and if you can reach the floor comfortably, go ahead, take a step on the yoga block gently, and try to get your hands to the floor. This one's definitely the most extreme of the hamstring stretches. Beautiful. Let's bend and stretch our knees. Awesome. And then just to do a little counter stretch, bend your knees to roll up. And then go ahead and kick your butt. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's little mini stretch. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.
I never said